But anyway, beautiful. It'll be a beautiful week next week. Just have something to look forward to. Kind of cloudy, kind of cool, but.
Yes, we were just saying we want sunshine.
Yeah.
Because we want to go sit outside with our show. Yeah. So we're dreaming of an outside set.
Oh, we are. But hey, at least our weather's a little bit better than a little bit up north. But we're starting something new today, friends.
We are. We are starting. You know, we put our heads together, and when that happens, sparks fly.
Genius happens.
It's amazing. I mean, the lights in the building go on and off.
Yep.
So we've come up with FaceTime Friday with friends.
Yes.
And we found a friend.
A very good friend, and we'd like to introduce you to one of our Facebook friends that always is positive and always shares sunshine from Mitchell, South Dakota, Mr. J.P. Skelly, everybody. Woo! Good morning.
Welcome to Good Life.
Good morning. How are you on this fine Friday?
Well, we are, we are good. Cold, but how are you, more importantly?
Oh, I'm doing just fine. We got a little bit of snow, slush, and things like that. A little bit foggy this morning, but listening to the forecast, you know, I can't wait for next week either.
Yes.
So, JP, let's let everybody know who JP Skelly is, because
where you're at.
Yeah, because you're pretty famous in your neck of the woods.
And around here, because everybody knows him.
You're very kind. First of all, I'm news director at KORN News Radio in Mitchell, South Dakota. I've been here for 37 years. Actually, KORN was supposed to be a 2-year stop on my rise to fame and fortune. After 37 years, the fame I found, it's the fortune that eludes me.
But you're in the media business. That shocks me, the fortune part. And so,
No doubt about that.
Yep.
KORN, you know what? That spells corn with a K.
Yeah, but Mitchell, South Dakota is very known for its corn palace. And if people are up in the neighborhood, JP, what can they expect when they go to Mitchell, South Dakota?
Well, first of all, the Corn Palace is, you know, is the big landmark in town. It's a beautiful building. It's over 100 years old, and it's decorated with corn murals on the outside. And also inside, we have a wonderful display of some of the murals. The ones going back a long ways were Oscar Howe, famous Native American artist, did them. And now it's the art students at Dakota Wesleyan University are putting those murals together. Also, on the inside of the palace this time of year, it's very busy because it's sort of a civic center for us. We have a lot of basketball going on there. The home of the Mitchell Colonels and Dakota Wesleyan University Tigers.
I love the name, the Colonels.
Yep. Well, JP was gracious when we told everybody we were going on. We kind of tried kind of a condensed version of our tour a couple weeks ago. So JP said that he has something for our new office.
Yes.
And JP, we got it. World's only corn palace. Thank you for our decoration for our office.
Our smiley corn cob.
Yep. And I've been to the corn palace.
You're more than welcome.
Several
That's
times.
Great.
But thank you so very much.
You've been to the corn palace? I've never been there.
Well, because I grew up just like there.
Cattywampus from it.
Yeah.
Kind of, sort of.
In Mitchell, South. My dad used to go up there all the time because there's a Cabela's up there, and that was on the way to Sioux Falls to where they doctored. So,
yeah. And you know, we should have grabbed a picture of your sweet doggy Charlie. How's Charlie?
How is Charlie girl?
Charlie girl is absolutely amazing. She rules the roost, as they say.
She's a chocolate lab. Is that what she is?
No, she's a mix. She's a black lab, and we think some German Shepherd in her.
Oh, yeah. She is a pretty dog.
Yeah.
And you know we love dogs.
Thank you. I will pass that on.
Yeah.
You tell her.
And your beautiful wife, Bonnie, and she is from she's from Nebraska too, right?
She's from Arnold, which I have adopted as my second hometown.
Wonderful.
Well, there you go. So you need to come to our neck of the woods, or we need to go up there one day and, you know, we should swap jobs.
Ooh.
You come here.
Well, yeah.
You come here and do the Good Life. We'll go there and do your radio show.
Okay, that would be fine. My owners are out of the country right now, so yeah, let's keep this going. I love it.
Actually,
I would let Good Life come up to the Corn Palace. We've got a beautiful Corn Palace Plaza. Great for live TV.
We really should do that.
We really should, because Mitchell is a beautiful town. So, JP, thank you for sharing a part of your morning with us today.
Yeah.
And tell everybody when they're up in that neck of the woods how they can hear you.
You listen to KORN News Radio, FM 1013 and AM 1490.
You've done radio before.
Yeah.
You've said that a few times, haven't you?
Thank you, JP. We appreciate
Yeah.
you
You're
being with
welcome.
us this morning. Thank you.
Have a great day and a great weekend.
You as
And that's
well.
when we will.
We
Thanks,
will.
JP.